Did you know that a driving license can be a game changer for your CV? It signals flexibility and readiness for roles requiring travel or shift work, making you a more attractive candidate to employers. Employers often list a driving license as essential or preferred. It helps you pass initial screenings, especially for roles in sales, logistics, or field-based jobs where mobility is key. Spotting keywords like full UK driving license in job ads is crucial. Roles in rural areas or those requiring site visits often demand a license, highlighting its importance in your application. Urban roles might rely less on driving, but a license still offers an edge for late shifts or client visits. Always tailor your CV to the job's transport needs. Place your driving license details prominently on your CV. Use exact keywords like full UK driving license to ensure ATS systems pick it up, avoiding common mistakes like oversharing personal details. Avoid vague terms and ensure consistency. Mention relevant categories like Category C if applicable, and keep the information concise and clear for both recruiters and systems. Tailor your CV by including role-specific examples. For instance, a delivery driver should highlight a clean driving record and relevant license categories, enhancing your application's impact. By aligning your CV with job requirements, you increase your chances of success. Review your CV today to ensure your driving license details are effectively presented, boosting your job prospects.